Well, for a mountain fire department, a little help from the state could be a big lifesaver.
50 smoke alarms have been awarded to the Hendersonville Fire Department. They'll be installed for free in local residential homes. The detectors are from the Department of Insurance Office of the State Fire Marshal.
Hendersonville Fire already installs units for free to help improve safety. 3 out of 5 homes, by the way, have had, I'm sorry, 3 out of 5 fire deaths are in homes without working smoke alarms. There we go.